Guys, luto tayo ng ginisang ampalaya with shrimp and oyster sauce. Yan po, ginisa ko na yan guys. And then, lagay natin yung ampalaya. Dami na guys. Lagyan natin ng seasoning. And then, paminta. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. And then, oyster sauce. Ito ang ating ginisang ampalaya. And oyster sauce. And sugar. Yummy. Menu ideas, healthy and budget friendly. Guys, 1 cup of hot water. Ang ating ginisang ampalaya with shrimp. Guys, yan. Maliit lang po guys ang aking mga hipon kasi mas masarap yung maliit, mananis-nanis. And guys, ang aking menu ideas for the day. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye for now. God bless everyone.